Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be decorating my June currently page. Because of my planner, it probably looks a little different than some of yours, but I'm going to give you some ideas on what you can do with yours. So if you are new here, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in this situation, if you have already seen my video on tipping something in, this is basically just a little card that you know exactly what it sounds like. You kind of put it in your planner. So this is here now for the month. I wanted to keep it. So what we're going to do is decorate. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this particular spread. All right. But moral of the story is that was already done. Not really part of my decorating as of yet, but it's going to be incorporated into it. But it was already done. All right. I think I'm going to see what the Happy Illustrations book has going on here. Because I'm feeling happy. Keep growing. I like that. Okay. So, notes for June. Notes for June. All right, so let's think here. I'm going to look at it a little bit. My mantra. I want the sassy plans for that. Where are you, sassy plans? I just had you a second ago. Guys, I literally sat down and made sure I had everything I needed prior to starting recording this video. And you know what happened? I didn't. I thought I did, but I didn't. Okay, she wasn't really that far. It wasn't that big of a traumatic of an incident. All right, so let's think about my mantra. Did my best. I kicked today's butt. That's enough today for today. Let's figure out what I want. It's got to fit in that box, too. Which it can. I'm sure I can find something. Being an adult is the dumbest thing I've ever done. Cleverly disguised as an adult. My bed is a magical place where I suddenly remember all the things I forget to do. Alright, where are my watches? Inhale, exhale. Whoops, it happened again. Maybe I wanted a sassy plans, but I want an inspirational sassy plans. Nothing screws up your Friday like realizing it's only Tuesday. Guys, these are so funny. Unless life also hands you sugar and water, your lemonade is gonna suck. Guys, these are so funny. That's why I like them, but I want one that's kind of, Okay, that's one I think I want. Fun day every day. Okay. All right. Fun day every day. All right. So now that's my motto for the month. Every day is going to be awesome. That's my motto. So, my mantra. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to path out my month as far as in here. This is the notes section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take little notes here. And I'm basically going to create a little map of bullet points. For things that I want to do. I want to accomplish. I know I have coming up that are important. Look at how fun this Happy Illustrations is. It's so cute. Alright, so this will cover pretty much the majority of it. Look at that. Not that there's like secrets involved in that, but it allows me to. Alright, so the things that top priorities, and I want to find little stickers too. Hashtag very busy. Ooh, got a little too close. I wonder if I can take it up. Nope. Y? You're just gonna have to. I'm gonna have to cut the Y off, guys. This is traumatic, but it's gonna have to happen. I'm gonna makeshift it better though. Don't worry. Don't worry. There you go. There's a Y for you. Who doesn't love that? You know. You know how I do. You know that's awesome. Okay. So, very busy. And then what I think I want to do, that's another. You are magical. And I think what I want to also incorporate is a little note, although it's harder to write on it, that says stick to my plans. Alright, so now you have this little tiny doopity that's going to overcome them, but it's super cute if you open it up. And now what I'm going to do is write some things in here that I know that I have that are on my June. I don't know if I've actually put them on the list yet, but I know they are. So June 6th is a board meeting. I want to pick my date for my planner meetup. I want to put, so somewhat of these are kind of goals, I guess. Put 2 homes under contract. Some of these I may knock out early. Well, I can't knock that one out early because it's a date, but and in which case it would be pretty awesome that you know, social media day, huh? Social media day is the 30th of June. I'm gonna tell my husband he's gonna have to do something special for that. All right, now then we also have Kimberly's birthday. Which falls on Monday. So we have to celebrate her birthday on the 9th. All right, and what am I forgetting? Well, Father's Day, but that's there. I don't know if I want that twice or not. Okay, then my top priorities are keep doing my hour of power. All right, now, so as to start. Now, what I'm going to do is, not because it's not cute, I just kind of want to do this. And that's cover up the circles with discs because I'm silly like that and I just want to do that. Although there's not very many independent ones, so I'm going to go every other one and see if that works to just kind of make it, just kind of spice it up a little bit. You know, people. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. Little diskies. Okay, now, Father's Day. I'm going to plop that over here. Even though I haven't decorated and I don't know that I will want these themed colors, it's going over there because there's already, you know. And Mother's Day is today. I wonder if I took that sticker. Technically. I'm recording this on Mother's Day anyways. You might see it at a later date. Okay, so now These are so cute. I'm going to, although they don't really match the colors. They're a little too muted. I don't think they're going to work, guys. I just don't think it's going to fit. I don't think it's going to fit. It's just not, it's a little too muted for what I'm looking for here. I want something with a little more pop of color. Alright, now I just think that these balloons are the cutest thing ever. And the fact that you can write on them, I think is also the cutest thing ever. So, look at that. Look how cute that is. Love. Love it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and I won't bore you with the details, but basically what I'm going to use this for is my theoretical routine for the month of June, and I'm going to fill out my top priorities here, and then of course I have some punch list reminders. So, however you use this page, if you have a different currently page, if your page is a little bit, I really actually like the way this one's laid out. But there are some that have like birthday sections or whatever. The biggest thing is just have fun with this page. Like, it's there to have fun with. It's not life altering, but it should be fun. You should enjoy it. It should be something that you can, make your own. I obviously did the little tip in for the month of June, but you don't have to do this. You could just go with the page as you want it. It's whatever floats your boat. So make it your own. And then as we get into the plan with me for the month of June, I will already kind of have a little idea of what I'm doing, what's going on, what's happening, how I'm going to function the month. So, again, just have a lot of fun with it. Make it colorful. Enjoy it. Make it as functional as you want to. But don't forget to make it fun, because really that's what life's all about. We were discussing how, little muted tones I have in my house. Apparently I like colors a lot. I mean, I have muted tones, but they're followed by colors. So, all right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or you want to add anything to this, things that you do I want to share with others to help them grow and learn. We are in this community together, and I cannot wait to see you on the next video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please click the link wherever you see it. All right, everyone, have a great day.